Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to learn MR graphic designs or logo design. Okay, so I am going to take text tool. Okay, first of all, simple create MR. Here the change character AR Arial. Move to okay and create outline. After that, go to the object and take expand again object, create offset path 2 pixel, preview on the preview and click OK. After that, take ellipse tool, select MR and create ungroup, rotate the ellipse tool and just on the top of MR. When you set the top of MR, then create a copy with Alt. Okay, select all and take shape builder tool. Here are two paths. So we are going to minus the center of ellipse tool. That's okay. Now plus the paths. Now select move tool and select inner side of path. And go to the effect, gallery effect. Here are the plastic warp. Make some details. Click OK. Make some different colors. Here your MR graphics is ready. Okay, create group. Okay.